It's no secret that laptops are getting thinner at an incredible pace. Apple's MacBook redesign shrunk the chassis to an astonishing half-inch thick. But the new HP Spectre pushes the bar even further to an unbelievable 4/10 of an inch. Usually, that sort of size means a sacrifice in performance. The MacBook, for example, has relatively slow Core M processors. Not here. HP has stuffed powerful Core i5 and i7 chips into Xa0. The Spectre. That chip is matched with 8 GB of RAM, a choice of PCIe SSDs, and a non-touch 1080p display. Those are respectable components, and, despite the slim profile and powerful hardware, HP skips the high price tag of some competitors by starting the Spectre 13 at just $1.170, or $1.250 for our Core i7 review unit. That's great on paper value, but computers that push the limits of design often have hidden faults. Does this HP avoid those pitfalls? HP's new Spectre is ridiculously thin. It's the first thing people notice when they see the computer. That, and the gold accents that offset the system's dark gray body. It's a classy look, and one that pairs well with the system's slim size. An important element that helps the system slim down is the hinge. It actually tucks inside the chassis as it closes, so it looks impossibly large when the system is open. The other benefit, besides the fun optical illusion, is the screen holds remarkably firm, without the wobble we've seen on other thin laptops. And the Spectre 13 holds up well, at least for a system that's so thin. It doesn't fall prey to keyboard bend or a twisty screen, thanks the chassis combination of metal and carbon fiber. The result is a thin system that feels as premium as it looks. HP has leaned heavily